What is up, everyone? This is Multi-Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to record Roblox on your PC for free. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to do this is literally download a software called OBS Studio. It's a free software. The minute you Google it, you'll find it, you'll see it. It looks like this. Is straightforward and easy to install and download. Once you have it set up, all you need to do to basically do it, and this is the thing, this is a free software, so this is like one of the best ways to essentially do this, is once you have this installed, you want to just press this plus button here, then you want to click into where it says window capture, because you want a specific window only, right? You could do desktop, so you could do the whole screen, but you only want the specific window. Once you have Roblox turned on, I'm going to just show you as an example of the actual screen of Roblox, so you can see over here again. But when you do the actual game itself, right, the Roblox launcher, it'll pop up here. But just for the sake of this, I'm just showing you here. You basically do that, you have it over there, and that's it. You'll literally see Roblox is now here. You can have this like on a separate screen, or even minimize after you press the start recording button that you see at the right hand side, and that's it. You're now recording your Roblox game. So that's it. You can set up your mic, you can set up your audio, you can like mute your mic, you can mute your audio, you can do all that other good stuff in here. But that's basically it. That's all you need to do. So yeah, if you guys are a video, please smash the like, guys, and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then Multi-Tutorials out. Peace.